What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the Tribit Flybuds. Now a few of you guys actually requested this. I'm actually going to be kicking this off with a little giveaway. So if you want to find out how to enter into the giveaway, stick around to the end and I'll explain. Also, I'm always late with these, but the One Vito True Wireless Earbud giveaway that was running a few weeks ago ended and the winners are down here. I'll be reaching out to you shortly, so keep an eye on your email. Check your spam folder just in case. So Tribit, we've looked at Tribit quite a few times, and they seem to be pretty nice. The Flybuds right now are 4.5 stars on Amazon. They're running about 65 bucks, so they're not exactly cheap, but it's nice to see Tribit stepping up a little bit. Oh, nice little container. Oh, that is so small. Look at that, it's like a little, what is it called? A macaroon. Wow, that is the sharpest little case I've ever seen. All right, what else we got in here? We got some instructions. So we got 2 extra pair of ear cups. I'm guessing this is the large and the small, and then the medium's probably already on there. Then we have a very small USB to USB Type-C cable for charging. All right, so the case, is that leather? I don't know, but it's got a very leather quality to it. It feels really nice in the hand. Oh, those are so clean looking. Now these are actually running off of Bluetooth 5.0. They are IPX5 rated. Now you get a total of 5 charges with the case. The earbuds are about 6 hours each, so you get about a total of 36 hours. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is super clean looking. All right, so we got the left and the right indicated on the back side. You got the connection points for charging. I believe this is all touch, but very smooth, soft feel to the whole thing. There's no sharp edges. It's got that ergonomic curve to it. Looks a little unique. I mean, it looks like an ear canal. Oh, my ears are so isolated. I feel like I'm wearing earplugs right now. Pairing already. Touch controls are pretty basic. You got play and pause with a single tap. You got next track double tap. Activate voice assistant by touch and hold for 1 second. Answer by a single tap. Previous track triple tap. Reject the incoming call by touching and holding for 2 seconds. Does not sound like it's on. Yeah, this one says battery low. Boom, green light, it's charging. Both of them are on, they're blinking. Well, they're on, so they're charging. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna let this charge up for a few minutes because you know, they had the little film on it, which means that they weren't connected to the battery, so they're not really fully charged, and can't really test these if they don't have any power, so movie magic. Okay, so I let them charge for about 30 minutes or so they should be good to go. Immediate connection, immediate. All right, check test. We're good. They're so slick, and they're really comfortable. They feel real soft in the ears. I'm really liking these so far. It's pretty good. Oh. So the bass is actually picking up really nicely. Highs and mids are great. The bass, oh God, I can't hear myself. Okay. Now this is bass boosted, so it's really low bass, but it's picking it up really nicely. So not bad at all. All right, let's do a little latency test. Yeah, these are pretty spot on. All right, little back pocket test. No breaking up. Sounds good. All right, I'm doing a distance check. I'll be right back. Not bad at all, actually. I got to, which is my limit, like around 50 feet or so, and then it started breaking up just a little bit, but then it reconnected really quickly, so really solid connection. Okay, phone call. All right, I'm gonna do a test once she answers. Hey, can you hear me okay? How do I sound? Nice and clear? Hey, I'm gonna test something out real quick. While I got you on here, I'm gonna put one of the earbuds back. Can you still hear me? Hello? 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 Now you're on there. Okay, let's try just this one then. It says connected. Can you hear me? You can. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna try the other one. Put that one in. Can you still hear me? Oh, okay, cool. All right, yeah. So it's either or, which is cool. All right, I like that. Okay, so the phone call, it sounded really good on my side. She sounded really good. She could hear me just fine. Really good sound quality. The highs, mids, and the lows are actually pretty well equalized. But I gotta say, I'm really impressed with how small they made this case. I mean, and it feels very solid. It doesn't feel cheap, but there we go. Yeah, definitely check them out. I mean, 65 bucks, it's a little pricey, but I can definitely see that they didn't cut any corners. They did a really good job on these. I think the price point is well justified. All right, so now, the giveaway. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time. Instead of sending you guys over to rafflecopter.com, I'm gonna actually hold it here on this channel. What you need to do is subscribe to the channel. You have to be subscribed to the channel. The second thing is to leave a comment down below. Any comment that you want. Keep it nice, keep it friendly, but put the hashtag gimme. That's right, G-I-M-M-E. That is your submission into the contest. So subscribe to the channel and hashtag gimme, and I'm gonna randomly pick one of you guys within a couple weeks or something like that. I'm usually late on them, just give me a break, all right? But anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Oh, shoot. I haven't cut my fingernails. Look at those fingernails. I didn't even cut my fingernails today. Look, that just shows you how sick I've been. I've been sick, all right? Give me a break. I didn't cut my fingernails. It's been a week. I should get a manicure. Pedicure? I don't know. I'm gonna get a mani-pedi. Anyway. Okay, there. More presentable. Man. Man, I'm still not over this. That's why today's episode is brought to you by toilet paper, when a box of tissues just is not enough. Oh, there it is. All right, no. Oh, sorry. This will be a blooper. Okay, bye. Oh no, it's dripping again. Gotta get it up in there. Just pack it. Oh my goodness. Miss. Kobe. More like Shaq. Phone call is nice and clear. Oh, hold on. Oh, now it itches. For those who don't live in the South, more specifically like Texas, you're lucky. And when it hits, oh, it hits hard. I've been completely out for a week. Like, I'm surprised that the bags under my eyes aren't bigger. Anyway. All right. Okay, so